Break apart is a special type of ungrouping, and it is used to split objects into their components for editing. Break apart is used for objects that have blackwork run, for monograms, for lettering, for applique, and for stipple fill. When you select any of these items and right-click, Ungroup is grayed out because ungrouping is not an option. These type of objects must be broken apart. When I break apart a blackwork run object, all the jump stitches will reappear because the object is not all one object anymore. Select the object and click Break Apart in the Edit toolbox. Remember that you have to be in Design View in order to see the jump stitches. Before breaking apart the object, you can see that there were no jump stitches within the object. Once it's broken apart, you have lots of jump stitches. With an applique object, if it is broken apart, all the placement lines, all the tack down lines, and then the cover can be resequenced in color film. Later in the applique video series, you'll learn another way to combine the applique. You can select the applique and select Break Apart, and then ungroup each of these applique objects and resequence the applique. Lettering can't be ungrouped either, but it can be broken apart. If you select the words Break Apart and click on Break Apart, each word is now separate. Selecting the word and breaking it apart again will let you select each letter. If a letter is broken apart, it is no longer recognized as a letter, but it is a satin stitch. A monogram can also be broken apart, but it is no longer recognized as a monogram. If you wish to edit individual stitches of a stippling fill, it can be broken apart as well by going to the Edit toolbox and clicking on Break Apart. Now, when I click on Reshape, all the individual nodes will be generated for the stippling fill. So you can see that Break Apart has several uses in the software. Whenever Ungroup is not highlighted, it is a good indication that an object needs to have Break Apart applied if you wish to edit individual components. One other type of object that can't be ungrouped is branching. Instead, it must be broken apart. You will learn about branching in another video in this series.